Logic Biotherapeutics, Inc. announced that the FDA has lifted the clinical hold on its LB001 investigational new drug application, IND. This allows patient enrollment to resume in the Phase 1/2 Sunrise trial for pediatric patients with methylmalonic acidemia. Logic Bio is pleased that the FDA has completed their review of the information they provided and that the hold on their LB001 IND has been lifted. They look forward to dosing the next patient in their Sunrise trial. The FDA placed the IND for LB001 on clinical hold following the occurrence of 2 serious adverse events, categorized as cases of thrombotic microangiopathy, TMA. Both cases of TMA were resolved within the YEX. In connection with the lifting of the clinical hold, Logic Bio amended the Sunrise protocol in a manner that reflected its dialogue with the FDA. Logic Bio expects to proceed with dosing after they implement the changes to the Sunrise protocol, which include enhanced monitoring measures, such as frequent testing for complement activation, a characteristic of TMA.